friends, welcome to my channel Jaswiarts. In this tutorial, I am going to show you important trick to create matching hair clip for a dress. The trick is we have to use unstitched hands cloth which comes with the ready-made dress to create beautiful matching hair clip. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create matching hair clip. Enjoy the video. To my channel, you will find all arts and crafts, paintings, designing works and all activities and skill stuff. Subscribe and press bell icon for more fun stuff. We will be happy and work harder to create more fun stuff. Do encourage us. If you like my video, please like and share this video with friends. We will be happy for your support. Please do comment and give suggestions. If you like the video, please do subscribe. To see more related videos, please look in the description and channel list. Meet you again in next video. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Jaswiarts. Thanks for watching. Bye.